All right, data import. How do we import data into Salesforce? Very interesting topic. Today we're gonna look at the data import using the data import wizard. The great thing about this is that contacts and accounts are can be imported at the same time, and the contacts are already assigned to the correct accounts they belong to, so you don't have to do any uploading of different spreadsheets, connecting them, etc. So how does the data sheet look that we can import? So this can be done in Google spreadsheets, in Excel, whatever. Important is that you take a brand new spreadsheet and copy and paste the data after a data cleaning into the spreadsheet, just to have a clean slate and you don't run into any issues or problems. The first line would be the name of the fields. It's not especially important, but you can assign them later as well. And there is Ich AG or R GmbH, which is the account, and you see we have two lines of the same account here. This is because we have two contacts. So in the first company we only have Mr. Heinz Kolping. In the second account we have two contacts, so we have also two lines here. So this is the format the data should look like. Obviously you can add more fields here as well, but be aware to try to be as basic as possible so you have really clean data. What do we do with this data? We go to File and then Download and comma separated values. If you would do this in Excel, you would go to Save As and then choose the format CSV file right here. So I have already prepared this CSV file exported, and sometimes it can be that it's not comma separated. CSV stands for comma separated values, and you can double check this. You can take the exported file, open with, and then text edit. So you can open up this CSV file and check it's really comma separated. Sometimes, and some Excel versions will export this with a semicolon separation. There you can go to search and you search for all the semicolons and can replace them with commas. But first you need to search if the document has any commas in there. Here are no commas, and change them to something else. So we can do this replace button here, and we change the commas to, for example, a dash, and we say replace all. In this file there's no need to do that, but it might be. So right now we take all the semicolons and replace them with commas, say all, save the CSV file, and now we are ready to go. If it always had those commas there, you're fine anyways. Back in Salesforce, starting after the data preparation, which is really important, so don't skip this part, we go to import. You have this import button on the contacts, and then we have sync with Google Microsoft. We have a new function to upload contacts, and we can use the data import wizard. So we go to next here, and it opens setup with the data import wizard, and we say we want to import accounts and contacts. We want to add new records. Those will be matched by name, by email, and the account will be matched by name and site. So we take the CSV file, we choose the file here, and go to next. right now this is where we will match the columns in the CSV file with our fields. So we go to map and add account name here. So this is the account name in the first column. And you see that you can choose fields from the account and from the contact. You see the contact email here to be matched. So for the first name, contact first name, and we map this one. For the last name, contact last name, we map this one. We take this field for the salutation, and this will be the account billing city, and this will be the account billing street. All right, we have mapped all the fields and all the columns, and then we go to next and start import. And from here we can check how our import is going by checking our emails. So the results are depicted in the email after after the import is finished. So it says accounts created and contacts created, and we can go to Salesforce to check if all the contacts are there. So we go to all contacts and we imported Heinz Kolping. He's here with the data. We can go to Ich AG and check there is only one contact, but we can also go to ER GmbH, which was the account with 2 contacts, and we see here 2 contacts were added, and that's a simple way of importing contacts and accounts into your Salesforce org.